Hello friends, after the Sdxl leak, Stability AI decided to release Sdxl openly on Huggingface. So it's now available, and Vlad Mandic of SDNX has made an update and is now supporting it. So you can now run the official version of Sdxl 0.9. Bear in mind, it's still a research model and not available for commercial use. But if you're following this guide, you're going to be able to try out the non-leaked official version. So let's get started. Oh, and by the way, how come the ocean doesn't leak out? Because of all the seals. AI. Here we have it. Stable Diffusion XL Base 0.9, official by Stability AI. Just released today. Now to use it currently, you're gonna need SD Next or Vlad Diffusion. And if you don't already have that, it's very simple to install. It's just as you would install Stable Diffusion Automatic 11.11. So we're not gonna go into detail, but you're gonna install Python 3.10.6 and then Git. So just Google and get that if you don't have it. And then I'm gonna git clone this. So just start a command window and then git clone. That will copy all your files. Once that is finished, you're gonna go into that folder, automatic, and then you're gonna run webui backend diffusers. And that will start the process of installing this so you can use the new Sdxl diffuser models. Once you've started your Stable Diffusion, your Vlad Diffusion or SD Next, you are gonna go into models up here, and then you're gonna go here to Huggingface, and you're gonna take this, copy paste that into select model, there we go, and press download. Now, as you can see here, the files are being downloaded, and this is not a safe tensors. This is the diffuser models, and it's going to be in a folder format, but it's all fine. I assure you, this is officially released by Stability AI, as we can see here on the Hugging Face. So this is from the official Stability AI Hugging Face. So this is not the leaked version that we're downloading. There we go. Diffuser model downloaded. Stability AI Stable Diffusion XL Base 0.9. Now there's a refiner, but if you want to get that, you're just going to have to do that again and then copy paste this one. Then if you can't see it, just press the little refresh up here. And here we have Stable Diffusion Base 0.9, fully official. All right, let's try something. Now I got a CUDA out of memory error on my 10 GB card. So I'm running it now with webui --medvram and then backend diffusers. Now you don't have to use backend diffusers every time. That's mainly for the first run. Now we've loaded it up with medvram. So we're just going to put in, let's do cat. Now let's generate our first official Sdxl image. And here we have it with the prompt cat. That was basically it. No negatives, nothing else, just cat. I'd say it's pretty good. It's not as sharp as I would have wanted, but for a first try, it's pretty cool. So there you have it, official Sdxl. So play around with it, see what you can do. I'll see you in the next video. As always, have a good one. See ya.